less power in this one.
Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and I am standing in front of one gorgeous 1969 Camaro Resto Mod. There's an LS1 under the hood, four-wheel disc brakes, custom interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift for you so you can check out the underside. We're gonna look at that LS1. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna get inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So let's take a nice close look at this baby. Look at that chrome. The grill's beautiful, that RS front end looks great. And I tell you what, these stripes are buried so deep in the clear you can't hardly even feel them. The hood's lined up nice. All the lines are nice and straight. The cowl looks beautiful. Just looks like a tough car. And this blue is just popping, man. It's an amazing color. And take a look at those brakes, man. Drilled and slotted rotors, beautiful Boss rims. The rocker molding's shining. All the stainless is all polished up nice. That door's fitting nice. Operating nice and smooth. The door lips look good. Got great looking latch there. It looks like it's new. Rubber looks great. We'll grab the keys and pop open the trunk. Chrome on the back bumper looks great. These stripes are also buried in the clear. Only got two keys to pick from, so look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that stereo system in there. Is that cool or what? They finished it all out with nice upholstery. Beautiful work. They even upholstered the bottom side of the deck lid. Isn't that cool? Look at how easy that door opens up. Nicely painted there, and she shuts just as nice. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we spend the time to check these cars out before we buy them. We're gonna pop the hood here. That's what everybody wants to see. Check that dude out. Looks like Chevrolet put that in there. Air conditioning, power brakes, looks brand spanking new in there. All the paint work on the firewall, aluminum radiator, just a gorgeous car. Let's check out this interior also. It's all customized in there. Look at those seats. Check out the carpeting, the center console. It's got the Resto Mod look, but it's got the 1969 stance to it. Beautiful. Everything is gorgeous in this. That dome light's working. Headliner looks great. And that dash, look at that dash. Isn't that cool? She's got a 1969 look, but she's all Resto modded out with some custom gauges. Isn't that sweet? All right, let's take our 69 Camaro Resto Mod for a ride. LS power, four-wheel disc, beautiful paint job, cowl hood, custom dash. It's got it all, guys. I love this car. It's an amazing machine. Just super cool here. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime and he'll tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Even if you need financing, we've got 2 different banks we work with, and it only takes like 15 minutes to talk to the banker on the phone, and we can get this dream parked in your drive. Having a hard time talking today because this car has got me so excited. Listen to that exhaust. Man, it sounds great. I mean, if you want to drive a 69 Camaro that drives just like a 2017, this is your car, man. It's got an amazing paint job on it. It's got an amazing motor in it. She's ready to go. She's handling like she's on rails. Just a super cool car. And look at these gauges down here. You know what's cool about this dash is it looks like 1969 super retro. Very, very cool. They're all working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's got the staple shifter. All the details are here. I mean, it's nice and neat and clean. Looks brand spanking new. And look out over that hood. Man, is she beautiful. What an awesome ride we've got here. And we can park this dream in your driveway anywhere in the world. So call Tom today. He's answering his phone all the time. I tell you what, we sell about 40 new cars every month. And here comes one of our cars being test drive right now. Check out that 70 Chevelle. Is that cool? Anyway, we're selling about 40 new cars every month. So you've got to check us out often. You never know when we're going to get something cool in. Like this one is not going to be here long. So call Tom today. And we're right outside the Motor City. We would love to have you come visit. So come on up and see us. We're only 20 minutes from the airport if you need to fly in. And call us. We'll come down to the airport and pick you up. No problem whatsoever. I would love to show you this car. Listen to that exhaust. It's got such a sweet sound. And acceleration, no problem there. That was about half throttle. This thing wants to get up and giddy up, man. Now you got to stick around because we're going to do something the other guys don't do. We're going to get this car up on the lift so you can check out the bottom side, and you can bet we're going to take a look at that LS Power up front. All right, we're underneath this Resto Mod Camaro now, and man, she's sharp under here. Look at that paint job on that tank, man. It is sweet. We've got the cast aluminum Mosier cover here on this 10-bolt rear end, right around the 373 gear. It is a posi. Now, this rear end actually puts pressure on the caps in there, on the center section, makes it a lot stronger. We've got new brake lines. We've got a stainless gas. I'm looking at the fuel filter right there thinking gas, but we've got a stainless exhaust system on it. Looks like billet aluminum shocks, drilled and slotted rotors on these disc brakes in the back. Everything under here looks brand new. Everything's bright and shiny. Looks like a Magna Flow system here, these polished mufflers. We do have a Global West tie-up setup here. It's tying the front frame to the rear frame. Looks like a new fuel line running front to back. We got parking brake cables all hooked up. We got a 4L60E automatic trans. That's a 4-speed automatic with a G-Force custom cross member. Great looking headers. That LS motor up front. Coilovers holding up the front here. Looks like the ball joints were replaced at one time. Looks like we got 4 piston calipers up front with drilled and slotted rotors up here too. All this stuff is aftermarket. This car is an amazing Resto Mod. Aluminum radiator here. I see the condenser for the AC. Looks like electric fans. Just amazing car. I tell you what, I would most definitely carry some mirrors around with me so I could stick them underneath this car whenever you go to a car show. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got some Boss wheels. These babies look brand spanking new. Some Nitto tires, 225/45 18s. Like I said, those brakes look great. They're CPP brakes. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge of the front fenders looks good. I always try to get in here and feel around on these front fenders to see if there's any patchwork. All I feel is nice smooth metal behind there. Let's look at the rear. Out back here, same good looking wheels. It's got disc brakes back here. We already talked about that. We got Nitto tires here. Let's see, 245/45 18s out back. That paintwork looks beautiful right down to the bottom edge of that quarter. And take a look at these rockers. Look at the finish on that rocker, man. Anybody that spends that much time on a rocker, you know they did a great job on the rest of the car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 5.7 LS motor. Great looking paintwork here on the covers, the coil covers here. AC, power steering, power brakes, looks like a new alternator, cold air setup. Like I said, electric fans on this cross-flow aluminum radiator here. Paintwork on the firewall looks good. Paintwork on the bottom side of the hood looks great. I tell you, this is an amazing ride, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.